Hello everybody, we are solving the fifth problem of JEE Advanced, and this is from paper 2, and it is more than one correct type. The problem is stating a positive point charge of 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb is kept at a distance of 20 centimeter from the center of a neutral conducting sphere of radius 10 centimeter. The sphere is then grounded and the charge on the sphere is measured. The grounding is then removed and subsequently the point charge is moved by a distance of 10 centimeter further away from the center of the sphere along the radial direction. Taking 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught as the standard value, which of the following statements is or are correct? So let's get started with the problem. So the first thing that we are going to do is understand this situation diagrammatically. So if we understand this problem from a layman perspective, we can say that if a positive charge is held in front of a conducting which is a sphere which we have, so it will induce some negative charge on this face of the sphere and some positive charge on the other face of the sphere, such that if Q induced over here is minus Q, then plus Q will be induced on the other side. So if we write an expression before grounding, so if we are writing the expression before earthing or before grounding, so we can say that potential of the sphere will be contributed because of the point charge. So the potential of the sphere will consist of because of the point charge, because of the induced positive charge, and because of the induced negative charge. So since the induced positive and negative charge will sum up to become 0, so potential will exist only because of the point charge, and that is equal to kq by L. Now over here if we substitute the value, so we obtain k as 9 into 10 to the power 9, charge q as 10 to the power minus 8 upon length L. So length L is 0.2, and on solving we obtain a value 450 volt. So we obtain something like this. So now we are going to proceed to earthing. So on earthing, this positive charge will vanish away, or as we say that it will be earthed. So then if we write the expression, so over here if we are considering case of earthing, let us consider this diagram over here. So we will be having this positive charge and negative charges will be induced on this face of the sphere. So we can say that if we are writing after earthing or after grounding, then the potential of the sphere can simply be written in terms of the point charge, which we already discussed, k q by L, and then followed by this will also have k qs, which is the induced charge, by radius r, and this entire value is going to be equated to 0. So over here if we solve for qs, so we can say that qs charge is equal to minus r by L times q, and if we put the value, then we can write it as minus half of 10 to the power minus 8, that is a negative charge minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb will come on this surface. So at this point we can definitely say that a negative charge of 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb is flowing between the earth and the conductor. And now we are writing when the grounding is removed and the charge is taken to a new separation. So over here if we write the potential of the sphere, which is after the final arrangement, so we are writing it as again due to the point charge and then the earthing is removed. So it will become kq by L nu plus k charges induced upon radius r, and the value becomes 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 upon 30, so 30 by 100 times 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 by 10. We are technically writing 10 by 100 and over here on solving this expression we obtain minus 150 volt. So now if we get back to the options which is given in this problem, so we have solved as per the conditions which were given to us, and we can say that before the grounding the electrostatic potential is 450 volt. We have verified this and it is correct. The charge flowing from the sphere to the ground because of the grounding is 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb is also correct. And after grounding is removed, the charge on the sphere is minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 9 is also correct. The final electrostatic potential is 300 volt. This is incorrect. The final value is minus 150 volt. So we can say for this particular option question, option A, B and C is marked correct. So this was the fifth problem of JEE Advanced paper 2 2025.